Village commons refers to shared resources within a community such as forests, pastures or water bodies which all members of the community have the right to use. These are not privately owned by any one person or family but are meant to benefit everyone in the community. The idea of commons is built on the belief that some resources belong to the whole community and everyone should work together to use them wisely without damaging them. One example of village commons is shifting cultivation, a traditional farming method practiced in some parts of India. In this system, families clear small patches of forest for farming and then leave the land to rest for several years, allowing the forest to regenerate. While the land is being used for farming, the family has the right to the crops they grow, but once they leave the land to rest, it becomes common land again. At this point, other community members can use it to collect firewood, roots, and other forest products. The significance of this system lies in its sustainable nature. It allows the land and forest to recover over time, maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. This way, the community does not deplete the land's resources but ensures that future generations will have access to it. Additionally, it teaches the community the importance of collective responsibility. When the land is left fallow, it is everyone's responsibility to protect it and ensure it has enough time to recover before being used again. Another example of village commons comes from the Varli tribe, where farmers refuse to poison rats that eat their crops because they believe that animals have a right to share the land's resources. Similarly, when a tiger or leopard takes livestock, the elders say that the animals are also hungry and have a right to eat. This demonstrates a deep respect for nature and an understanding that humans and animals must share the environment in a balanced way. The concept of commons is not only about land or forest resources, it can also be applied to ideas of freedom, cooperation, and mutual respect within the community. People in a village common system understand that no one can live in complete isolation. To be truly free, people need to cooperate with others and respect their needs. This cooperation ensures that everyone can benefit from shared resources without taking too much or destroying the environment. In conclusion, village commons are shared resources that benefit entire communities. The significance of these commons lies in their sustainable use, collective responsibility, and the cooperation needed to maintain them. These systems highlight the balance between human needs and the natural environment, teaching us valuable lessons about living in harmony with nature and each other. In today's world, where natural resources are rapidly depleting, the village commons serve as a reminder of the importance of sustainable living and respecting the natural world. That's it about this topic. Please do leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching.